Hello and welcome. Kamusta kayong lahat dito mga kapatid kong star viewers? Welcome back. So, ang reading natin ngayon is about yes or no. Okay? And alamin natin ang inyong mensahe from the universe. So, let's choose pile. Aling pile ang piliin ninyo? Pile 1 or pile number 2. So, dalawa lang ang pagpipiliin natin dito, no mga kapatid? Okay. So, pause muna yung reading. And think about the question, yes or no, para ma-focus tayo dito, no? And whatever na pile ang tumatawag pansin sa inyo, then that's the pile na piliin niyo. Alright? So whatever you ask, this could be the answer for you. And this is timeless, collective reading. If this reading na biglang lumabas sa inyong social media, meaning ito ay dapat mong pakinggan or may importanteng mensahe sa universe para sa iyo dito. And this could be, this reading could enlighten you, no? Sa mga katanungan na gusto mong malaman. And I do hope this reading will give you help, no? Sa inyong sitwasyon. Alright, so let's move on. Pile number 1. I'm sorry guys. Alright. Okay, Spirit Guide Angels. Anong dapat malaman? Message from your ancestors, guides. Anong dapat malaman ng ating mga collective at this moment? Message. Go have some fun with family and friends. And be wise. Ito ay mensahe ni universe para sa inyo. Okay? Drink plenty of water. Uminom kayo ng maraming tubig dahil mag-init ang panahon ngayon at para din ito sa inyong kalusugan. Okay, so ano pang mensahe ni universe para sa inyo? Okay, hold on. Let's get this affirmation. Affirmation for today. Sa ating mga collective. Affirmation. Today's affirmation. Today, I am receptive. Today, I will let go of the past. I will live in the present and I am looking forward to a bright future. This is your today's affirmation, guys. Always think about the positive and let go and let God. Forget the past and move forward. And think about the brighter future. Isipin ninyo kung ano magandang kinabukasan ang meron sa inyo, no? Ano pa? Affirmation. Ating mga collective for today's affirmation from the universe. Okay. Today, I am capable. Alright, today, I will accomplish every goal that I set for myself. So, yes, guys, wag natin i-discourage ang ating sarili, no? Kailangan talaga ay i-encourage natin ang sarili natin na ma-achieve natin ang ating goal, na ma-accomplish natin ang dapat natin ma-accomplish. Ano bang gusto mo ma-accomplish, kapatid? The universe is enlighten you, no? Na kaya mo ito, whatever it is, whatever you desire. I'm sorry. Today, I am special. So, yeah, today, I will realize that I am unique and one of a kind person. Says, yeah, guys, you guys, pile number 1 are unique and special. Alright, so again, guys, huwag niyong i-discourage ang inyong sarili. Don't look down about yourself. You can do this. You are beautiful inside out. You are wise. Whoever people or person doesn't sees you who you are, or yung binibigyan ka ng I don't know, something about like appreciation, no? Kung hindi ka man appreciate ng mga tao sa paligid mo, then let it go. It could be a person in your mind right now, no? Or it could be like in a relationship. Yeah, I'm getting like you could be emotionally imbalanced at this moment kasi feeling mo down ka, feeling mo na hindi mo to kaya dahil dinadown ka yata ng mga tao sa paligid mo, no? It's like parang you against the world. But guy, girl, mga kapatid, you can do this. You are capable of anything. You just have to believe in yourself. You are special. There is a bright future ahead for you. So do not look back. Look for the future. There's a brighter future ahead for you. Alright? So that's very specific message for you to enlighten you here, mga kapatid. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels, yes or no? Ready na, mga kapatid? Alright, Spirit Guide Angels, yes or no sa ating mga collective? Yes or no? So, we have here, could be maybe. Trouble coming. Out of frying pan into fire. Lack of progress. I don't know what you ask. I don't know what you were thinking. Whatever it is, maybe. Okay. Yeah. This could be about your wishes, no? Wish na makapag-move on. Girl, guy, kailangan talaga makapag-move on ka. The more na hindi mo na ito iniisip, whatever situation na iniisip mo, no, na feeling mo na down ka, you against the world, let go. Kasi kung if until now you are still holding on from this situation or this person, whatever it is, mahirap talaga. Mas lalo kang mahihirapan. It's holding you back. At ito pa'y magdudulot ng iyong kapahamakan. So, avoid this situation. Mag-isip ka na lang or gumawa ka na lang ng paraan na paano makapag-move on. Or another option. Marami pang option para dyan, para sa inyo. Okay? So, hanggang dito na lang, pile number 1. I do hope nakasunod ka. Pasensya na short message lang tayo dito. And leave your comment below. And thank you sa lahat ng mga tumatangkilik dito sa aking YouTube channel, The Start Talking Tarot. I love you guys and bye! Hello, pile number 2. Kamusta kayong lahat dito sa pumili ng ating pile number 2? Okay, so kunin muna natin ang inyong mensahe. Anong dapat mong malaman, pile number 2? Okay. Spirit Guardians, anong dapat malaman ng ating mga collective? You annoyed someone. Meron itong naiinis, nagagalit sa inyo. Alamin natin kung sino itong taong nagagalit, nainis sa inyo, or na-offend. Someone is admiring you. Okay? Someone is admiring you. Let go of something that doesn't make you happy. Yeah. Parang dito may pumili ng dalawa. Pile 1 and pile 2. Okay, so again guys, pile number 2, kailangan makapag-move on na, no? Let go, let God. Pay attention what you are receiving signs. In case mga red flag, pay attention to yourself, listen to yourself, and kung ano yung kinukutob ninyo, I'm getting like you are psychically feel the messages. I don't know what it is. Kung ano itong nararamdaman ninyo. Kung ano itong, you know what I'm talking about. You guys are very highly intuitive here. Pile number 2. Alright, so what else? Message from the universe. Affirmation. Today's affirmation for my collective. Today's affirmation. Okay. Today I choose. Today I will only surround myself with people who support me. Yes, correct. Kung sino itong mga taong sumusuporta sa inyo, then choose those people. Do not choose those people who disregarded you, who disrespect you, who kung sino yung hindi ka ina-appreciate or na-appreciate. Okay? Don't forget those people who choose you, who help you. Kung sino yung mga taong tumutulong sa inyo, huwag niyong kalimutan. At huwag kayong mag-look back sa mga nakaraan. Alright? Ano pa? Spirit ka rin, ano pang mga mensahe sa ating mga collective? Today, I am learning. Today, I will focus on learning to grow into a better person. Yes, that's what you should be focusing, mga kapatid. Pile number 2 should focusing on how to be a better person. Do good deeds, tumulong sa kapwa, bumawi ka. I'm hearing like bumawi ka, pile number 2. Sa mga taong tumulong sa'yo. Sa mga taong nag-uplift sa'yo. Like again, huwag mong kalimutan. I'm hearing like pamilya, katrabaho. Alam mo kung sino or kilala mo kung sino yung tumutulong sa'yo the whole time. Alright? So, do a good deeds, gumawa kayo ng tama. And be a better person or becoming person. How to becoming a better person. Because today, you can do this. Every day, mga kapatid, you are a better person. Or you are becoming more a better person. Pile number 2. What else? One last message. Affirmation for my collective. Today, I will breathe. Huminga kayo ng malalim. Slow down. I'm hearing like slow down. Magpahinga ka muna. Stop nyo muna yung ginagawa mo. Kung kailangan matulog, matulog ka. Kung kailangan mo mag-relax, mag-relax ka muna. Slow down. Today, I will breathe. Today, as I face challenges, I will call mental time out. I will consciously breathe with my eyes closed and focus on slowing my inhalation and exhalation. Yes, time out. Kailangan mag-time out ka muna sa mga chaos, sa mga challenges, sa mga pinagbibisihan mo ngayon, mga kapatid. Kailangan mo muna magpa-relax, mag-day off, spend more time with the family, or friends. Okay? So, yes or no na tayo. So, this message is meant to find you. Okay? I do hope this affirmation, messages from the universe na resonated sa inyo, pile number 2. Alright. Ready na kayo? Pile number 2. Think about the question and the answer will be yes or no. Pause nyo muna itong reading na ito and focus. Meditate ng konti para makuha natin ang inyong sagot. I Spirit can just yes or no sa ating mga collective. Pile number 2. Pile number 2. Okay. We have yes. Charity. Giving. May taong tumutulong sa iyo or tutulong sa iyo. Meron naman ditong ikaw din ay makakatulong sa ibang tao. You will becoming more charitable in the future. You can do this. Okay? Support the people. Suportahin mo yung mga taong sumuporta sa iyo noon. Huwag mong kalimutan. At sumuporta ka sa mga tao. Like again, good deeds, mga kapatid. Because you do a good deeds, pinagpala ka rin. Pile number 2. Walang mali sa tumutulong. Kung ikaw naman ito ay gumaganda ang iyong buhay, huwag mong kalimutan ang mga taong tumutulong sa iyo nung time na ikaw ay walang-wala. And, kung ikaw naman itong, like again, may kaya, whatever it is, feel free to help the others. Kasi the more na, karamihan sa inyo dito ay mapagbigay, very generous, hospitality. Ipinagpala ka ni universe. Kasi marami kang natutulungang tao. Alright? And, kahit nasabi natin na ang dami kong tinutulungan pero mga tao ito hindi naman ako na-appreciate. You don't have to focus about those people na hindi ka na-appreciate. There's so many people around you na kaya kang suportahan din. Na happy. Naging masaya din sila kung anong binigay mong tulong sa kanila or masaya din sila kung anong meron sa'yo ngayon. Focus on the positive people, not from the past or unwanted people. Alright, mga kapatid? So, hanggang dito na mga kapatid, I do hope nakarasunod ka sa reading na ito. I'll see you guys in my next reading and thank you. Bye!